we're going to be making pasta alla Norma. Now this is a Sicilian classic and it's made up of a rich tomato sauce, delicious golden aubergines and served with lovely Italian salted cheese. So first up what we're going to do, we're going to dice an aubergine. Next we're going to fry some garlic, some Filippo Berio Olive Oil. We're going to add the garlic in. We're going to cook it for about 30 seconds. That smells so good already. Some peeled tomatoes. I'm just going to add them into the garlic. And now we're going to cook that for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're now going to fry our diced aubergine. So I'm going to add a little bit more Filippo Berio olive oil into a separate frying pan. And now I'm going to add my pasta in. The pasta is now cooked. Going to drain it off. Going to add the drained pasta into my tomato sauce. We're going to also now add our lovely golden fried aubergine, a little bit of our Italian salted cheese, and then to finish it all off, got some fresh basil leaves. So here we have it. We've got pasta alla Norma served in a rich tomato sauce with fried aubergines and salted Italian cheese.